Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Maribig Centino, 36 years old, from Uraan West, Manawag, Pangasinan. I'm married with 3 kids, 15, 11, and 2 years old. My weight is 59 kilograms and my height is 147 centimeter. My work experience here in the Philippines is a housekeeping in Greenviews Resort and Restaurant El Nido, Palawan, and also housemaid in Santiago City, Isabela for 2 years. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing the dishes, doing laundry, and taking care of 3 years old baby and her grandmother. I wish to work Hong Kong to help my family financially. If you choose me, I will do my best to do my duties. Thank you.